Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we have another fountain pen. This pen is the Star One Euro fountain pen. This comes in various colors. I have purchased this turquoise blue color fountain pen, and um, I'll be sharing you the parts of the pen, the writing sample of this pen. This pen is an eyedropper fountain pen. It comes with a number 0 nib, and it is a plastic feed. It comes with a metal cap. The cap has a golden color clip and a very good springy clip. The finial of the cap is plastic and it is tapering, and it is of the same color as the body of the barrel of the pen, so it gives a very nice look for the pen. The barrel is also tapering at the bottom. The grip section is tapering. Grip section is very good, and the hold of the pen is also very good. The look for the pen with this golden clip and this silver body type metal cap looks really good. And since it comes in metal cap, if you are purchasing it from penhouse.in, they are providing the laser printing of your name. I have got my son's name printed on this. They provide this additional facility for you to engrave the names of yours or anybody's. So it is a good way we can gift the pens to others with their name. The Star One Euro is printed on the barrel, but it has got light because I have been using this pen regularly for the last few months. So it has got a light a little bit faded here. Apart from that, this pen is good. It's still shiny and looks new. Now I'll share the writing sample of this pen. Before that, let me compare the size of this pen with the Camlin 47 piston filler pen. Yes, it is almost the same size of the pen and the same nib type, as you can see, just like the Camlin 47 nib, it is of the same type. Now I'll share the writing sample of this pen, and for this pen I have added the Brill blue ink. The pen for today is Star One Euro fountain pen. Ink I am using is Brill royal blue color. Let me write the sentence. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Yes, the pen writes really smoothly and it is a very juicy pen. As you can see, it is throwing a good amount of ink, and there is no line variation. It is fine tipped. Let me show you the reverse writing. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The reverse writing is quite scratchy and very fine, or it's very light. Now about the price of the pen. The price of the pen is 120 rupees, and you may have to pay the shipping charges along with it. This comes in various colors. It also has black, blue, red, etc. And for day-to-day use, I found this pen really good. The look of the pen is also very good. As you can see, very beautiful looking pen. Daily use wise, I found it really good for students as well as regular fountain pen enthusiast. I think this is a good purchase. The Star One engraved in the cap section. Even in the cap, even in the pocket, it looks very nice with this golden color clip. It looks very beautiful. Yeah, it can be posted, and after posted it looks really nice and gives a good balance to the pen. It is good in writing. It's purely eyedropper fountain pen. So this was about the parts of the pen. I hope you liked the video and you have understood the parts of the pen. The review helps you in understanding about the pen, and thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel, and if you are a fountain pen enthusiast, do like and share my video. Do press the bell icon so that you get the latest update of the fountain pens which I am reviewing in this channel. And thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.